Every time I try to silence what he's done, it roars like thunder, can't be outrun. There's a fire in my bones, I can't hold it in. I'm shouting redemption, forgiveness of sin. Like Jeremiah said, it's a flame that won't rest. It's Jesus alive, burning in my chest. I've carried my cross through the valleys, cried, seen grace in the ashes, hope in the sky.